I would thank everyone for joining this call. On our last weekly scheduled call, I talked about how we can call external programs with the Spectrum Alarm Notification Manager, SANM for short. I mentioned also that I had built a prototype of how that works. So what we plan on doing on this call is just basically going through that prototype. I want to demonstrate how all that's configured.
Oh, that'd be great. We'd love to see how that is configured. We have a couple applications that we'd like to start when alarms meet specific criteria.
Great. Yeah, I completely understand. Basically, I'll show you how it works and how to configure it. We'll have to edit 3 separate scripts, a set script, an update script, and a clear script, and those are the 3 scripts that are basically associated with SANM. I have my live meeting up now. Let me know when you're able to see my screen.
Yep, I have it up and I can see your screen.
Great. Okay, so we're going to begin by opening up the set script, and that set script is located in SpecRoot Notifier. And in this particular example, I created an on-call folder and copied all the SANM-related files over there. And I then modified the names of the set scripts by adding an underscore and on-call to each of them.
Okay, we're watching you and we're taking notes, just so don't go too fast.
Okay. So this is what it looks like. If you notice down at the bottom, that's where we really will do our editing. But I have a line down there, down at the bottom of this script that says C Windows System 32 count.exe. That's basically where we're calling the calculator program for the set script.
Okay, I see what you're talking about.
So when an alarm comes in that matches this, criteria, not only will there be an email notification sent out, but it'll also send out this. It'll also start the calculator program as well. So next, what we want to do is we're going to open up the update script. And if you notice down at the bottom of this script, I have the Windows Clipboard application opening up. And everything else in the script is basically the same. There's no need to make any other modifications. Pretty much the same as that script that we saw previously, except this script obviously will update an alarm once it comes in. So next we're going to take a look at this at the clear script. And in this particular script, let's see, once we pull it up here, if you notice down at the bottom of this script, I've instructed it to open up the MS Paint program.
Interesting.
Yeah, so down at the bottom I have it opening up MS Paint. I mean, obviously, these are just things I pulled out. We can tell to open up anything.
Yeah.
But I'm using Paint, Calculator, and other programs just so you can see the functionality.
Okay.
So we do that in this command prompt window. I'm going to type in what we need to put in here. Yeah, so we start that application again, the alarm notifier application again.
Mm-hmm.
And the filters in this notifier instance will be applied to all the pre-existing alarms. And it seems like we've had a bunch of alarms. If you noticed, a lot of alarms are in there, so the calculator is opening up a few times. So what it's doing is processing all those pre-existing alarms.
Okay.
Yep, so I think it's gotten through all of them.
Okay, I see how that's working now. It seems like there's a lot of possibilities. That's really great. I can basically build SANM instances for certain alarm types and then instruct my other applications to open once the alarm criteria has been met. Is that correct?
Yeah, exactly. That's exactly it. I mean, it's a very powerful feature.
That's great.
So I'm actually generating some more alarms in my network right now. We should see another one pop up in a couple of seconds. In the background, doing some stuff here.
Okay.
So I want wants you to see it kind of live in action. We saw some of the pre-existing stuff. I want you to see it. There we go. Boom, it just popped up.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so that means we've had another alarm. And I'm going to update the alarm now, so it'll take a few seconds for that to come in. But once I update this alarm, then you'll see the clipboard application pop up. And there it is.
Great.
Yeah, so now I'm going to clear this alarm. It's going to take a couple seconds as well. But once I clear the alarm, then we'll see the MS Paint program come up. Just give that a few seconds. So what's the weather like there in Florida?
It's beautiful. Florida doesn't get really ever below 70 degrees, at least where I live.
The paint program just popped up. Yeah, so that meant that the alarm was cleared. And so that's basically how it works. A new alarm just came in. Actually, it just popped again.
Oh,
That's basically how it works. And obviously, you can call any programs you want that look on a computer, and it's a very powerful feature of Spectrum.